Morning everybody, today's Monday morning. I'm actually headed over right now. This is a special video, as you can tell by the name or the title of the video. Yeah, we did a thing, we bought a truck. Before I show you this, we're gonna have to do a flashback to approximately 3 weeks ago to where this whole journey started. Enjoy. First drive in our new Western Star. I'm taking it to go get painted right now. I'm gonna incorporate this into a whole other video, but this is my first drive in our new to us but used truck. Woo! Okay, this is a big truck. I've only ever driven a tri-axle maybe 2 times before. Once. I've only ever driven a tri-axle once. So this is a big truck for me. Some of you might be laughing, but man, I'm super happy. This is gonna be a beautiful, beautiful truck. It's getting fully redone, fully repainted, and yeah, I literally cannot wait. This is awesome. Let's get this thing on the highway. And this thing is awesome. It's an 18 speed, and yeah, we're just cruising her down the highway right now, doing 100. We're not pushing it. And yeah, like I said, we're gonna go get it painted up, and yeah, it's a really comfy truck so far. Just need to get a new steering wheel for it and a new seat because they're both a little worn. It's got 599,000 kilometers on it. So it goes to show you, you don't always need to buy brand new. This works just as good as a brand new truck, and it costs a fraction of the cost. So it's here at the paint shop now. It's gonna get black frame, black box, and a black cab to match our other trucks. Our other trucks do have a red frame, but we're not really too concerned about that. We're gonna switch everything over from a red frame because it's kind of like another company in our area, Carson's if you're from the area. But yeah, basically this is getting all painted up. So let's reveal what it looks like when it's done. This is what it looks like beforehand. Give you a quick look. See, it's blue. The frame is black. Box has a little bit of rust on it. Do a little walk around on it. She's just dirty right now. That's that side of it. But all right, let's see what it looks like when it's all done. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 3. Wow. So the banging and stuff right now is actually Al. He's putting on the license plates, but check out the truck, guys. It's not fully cleaned yet, obviously, but we got the rims completely restored, redone. Box is painted, we got the frame painted, and also the cab painted as well. So really happy. We're just putting the license plates on it right now. It has an ABS light sensor going off right now, so we're just gonna quickly take it up to the shop where it goes and get that all done. But here she is, guys. She's a beautiful, beautiful truck. Say hi to Al. Morning, Al.
Morning.
What are you doing here?
Bolt season, trying to get it.
So he's messing around with that. We're gonna get the circle check done on this, get everything fired up, get it ready to rock. And like I said, we're gonna take this up, get the ABS light fixed on it. And then once that's done, we're gonna send it out, get hired. We already have some topsoil all ready to go and some deliveries. So we're gonna get on that stuff. Today's 19 degrees, sunny. Yeah, looking forward to this all winter. Maybe just a bit of background information on this. This is a 2008 Western Star. It has 599,000 kilometers on it, which is just the start. That's nothing for what these Western Stars. They're a good truck. I do believe we're gonna pop open the cab or the hood right now, and let's see what it's got under the hood. So this is very on brand, this machine here. It actually has a cat motor in it. Yeah, check it out. That's the frame. That all got painted. Everything got completely sandblasted and painted. So super happy. Nice clean looking truck. Couldn't get the numbers off of this, but little bit of gooby gone, and a little razor blade should get that off. But yeah, that's her. All right, well, let's pop this thing down, see what Al's doing, and maybe we'll fire it up. So Al's getting this license plate all situated up here now, but we're running into a little bit of a problem, I guess, just because the bolts haven't been out in so long. They're seized, and we ended up having to just strip the heads off of them, and now we're going to drill into the existing holes and then just use some oversized screws to put them in. So I'll mount this here and we'll watch Al do it.
That's where the plan comes together.
Yeah. Well, we got that back license plate on. AZ55669. Hell of a license plate. Hell of a license plate. Well, got the key. Let's fire this girl up. First start up on the channel. I hope the battery isn't dead. Fuck! I feel like I have the same problem that the millennial farmer does. Every goddamn battery goes dead. This literally was running for hours like 3 days ago. Alright, let's get the charger.
Run fast in the broken chains.
Hey, we got the batteries hooked up. Just leave them for a little bit and then we'll boost it up. See the old Dodge Dakota. See if it can boost the big Western Star. Woo! Well, we're just going over everything, making sure it's ready to go down the road. With the box up in the air, just figuring out the drop axles, making sure I know all the controls, and then we'll head out to the truck stop and go drop this off.
Sneak out, keep fighting. I'm willing to take a chance to break free. The dog's biting, dressed up for the final dance. Shut down, inspire. I'm here to take your call.
So we just made it here to the truck stop. We dropped off the Western Star. ABS light and an engine light was on it. So before we send it out to get rented, I want to get everything just perfectly done on it. So we did that, and now I think we're gonna head back to the yard. And we got a ton of more little projects to do today, so let's go do that. Now we're going to Al's favorite store. Or not store. Yeah, it's a store. Is Tim Hortons a store?
It's a store.
Yeah, it's a store. We're going to Al's favorite store. Coffee! Oh yeah. Canada, eh? What's going on, guys? So actually, after we went to Tim Hortons, we got back here and Power Screen Canada actually ended up reaching out to me, and they wanted to come and help install our big 5x10 screen on our screener deck. That on itself was a complete journey, and I ended up shooting like over 100 gigabytes of video yesterday. It's insane. So I'm splitting the video up into two, and that video will be released Friday. If you want to see that video, you have to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also I think if you're watching this within 24 hours, there still should be some stories on our Instagram of like Peter doing it with us and just using the backhoe to get it down. It just was an insane video, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. So if you watch this video, guys, I appreciate it. Stay tuned for Friday's video because it is a doozy. And thank you, guys. I appreciate you. did not forget to mention today, guys, if you're watching to the end of the video, I want everybody to comment Western Star down below in the comments if you actually ended up watching the end of the video. As you guys know, you guys are the true patriots of the channel. I love you guys that watch the full videos because YouTube's based on engagement and watch time. And whenever you watch my full videos, that's actually the best thing that you can do to support me. So comment down below Western Star, guys, and get ready for Friday.